Hey everybody, back again, trying to find some altitudes of a triangle. We've got a triangle that's defined by, forgot parentheses right there, ABC, where A is 2, 4, B is 6, 2, C is 8, 6, and I'd like to find the altitude to side AB in the triangle. Okay, why would I, well, we're just doing it. So let me go ahead and make a diagram so we can kind of see what's going on here. So looks like we're going to have 2, 4. That's A. Just make a rough sketch here. B is 6, 2, right? And then C is 8, 6, right here. There's C, right? And so I've got my A, got my B, and I've got my C. Did I put those in the right spot? A is 2, 4. I did. So here's my, I don't want that line there. There's my there, and there. And my altitude is going to be the line that is perpendicular to AB, right? But at the same time, it goes through, let me see if I can grab this line. It's perpendicular to AB, so but at the same time, it actually goes through C. So I have to keep the slope of this line to be, I don't want to move the slope around or anything like that, or make it, tilt it like this or like this. I want to make sure it's perfectly perpendicular to AB, so that looks like it is. And now I got to move it. Whoops! Oh my! Sorry, that was a crazy thing. There we go. Now I got to move it until it ends up going through perfectly C. All right. Then this line is the line that is the altitude for AB, because it's perpendicular to AB and it goes through C. All right. So how am I going to do that? Well, we're going to again use the point slope form of the line. So point slope form of the line, which is y minus y1 is often, and the slope of that line we need, and it's x minus x1, right? y1 and x1, this is a point on the line, all right? Well, which point is on this white line? We said it had to go through point C, so I'm just going to make sure point C goes on that line. That's going to be easy, so I'll just put the coordinates for point C in right there and there. Okay, so I'm going to put point C in there. Use point C. That's going to be awesome. Now I have to use, what slope do I have to use? Well, I have to use the slope that is perpendicular to the AB slope, right? That's the whole definition. It's perpendicular to AB and it goes through C. So this point slope form of the line is a perfect line structure to use to quickly and easily get an altitude. So let's go ahead and do that. How do we find the slope that's perpendicular to AB? Well, I have to first find the slope of AB. Right? Slope of AB. Line segment. Well, in order to do that, remember, you do the y-coordinate of B minus the y-coordinate of A, so it's 2 minus 4, over the x-coordinate of B, divided by the x-coordinate of A, so 6 minus 2, So it's looking like I'm getting a 2 minus 4 over a 6 minus 2. Looking like I'm getting a negative 2 halves. 1 half, sorry. 1 half. And remember, I now have to perpendicularize this. Well, in order to perpendicular, so now make the perpendicular slope I have to take this thing, reciprocate it. What's the reciprocal of negative 1 half? Well, it's 2 over 1. And so it's going to be 2 over 1. And then I change the sign. So instead of making it negative, I make it positive. Right? So it's a positive 2 over 1, which we can just say it's a 2. All right? So there we have it. We actually have the altitude. It's all ready to go. It's y minus a point on the line, which we already know. This point is point C, and it's 8, 6. So I'm going to use the y-coordinate of that point, which is equal to m, the slope of that line. We know it's perpendicular to AB, so we're going to use the 2, this 2 here. And then I need the x-coordinate of 8. And this is the altitude for triangle ABC that goes through, or the altitude for side AB of triangle ABC. And it's a full-on line. Okay, exciting. There you have it, an altitude.